Planned Parenthood of Lafayette and Kentucky heading to court after they believe a new law is discriminatory and unconstitutional.
News 18's Krista Henry joins us now with more on a lawsuit that involves Planned Parenthood in Lafayette. Krista.
Well, Jeff and Gina, the lawsuit stems from a new law that would only affect the clinic here in Lafayette. Now, the law changed the definition of abortion clinic to include facilities that only provide the abortion pill. Planned Parenthood of Indiana and Kentucky filed a suit against the Indiana State Department of Health in U.S. District Court Thursday, arguing new legislation is discriminatory and unconstitutional.
We filed this lawsuit because it has no merit that they passed the legislation to require physical plant standards because a doctor is handing a patient a pill.
Lawmakers amended state law to require clinics that offer non-surgical abortions to meet the same physical requirements as clinics that provide the surgical procedure.
The existing regulations requires this clinic, which does not perform surgical abortions, to basically have surgical facilities. It has to have a procedures room, it has to have a recovery room, and that's just irrational, and it imposes a regulation that's completely unrelated to medical practice.
In a statement released Thursday, Indiana Right to Life President and CEO Mike Fitcher says, quote, "Today's lawsuit comes as no surprise because Planned Parenthood wants to protect its abortion business. It's clear that Planned Parenthood sees any amount of common sense oversight as too much oversight. If Planned Parenthood truly cared about women's health, they would desire all abortion facilities, even facilities they do not operate, to meet a basic standard." However, President and CEO of Planned Parenthood of Indiana and Kentucky says she believes this new legislation is denying service to patients.
Here in Indiana, that access is already so incredibly limited that to further limit it, it's bigger government and for no reason.
The law does not apply to private physicians' offices providing the same procedures. Planned Parenthood of Indiana and Kentucky is asking a federal judge to issue an injunction to stop the state regulations from taking effect January 1st of 2014. Krista Henry.